Welcome to Philadelphia Gear's 2 Gulf Coast region facilities, a combined 50,000 square feet. These locations are dedicated to providing specialized, high-speed OEM gearbox manufacturing, along with expert gear repair services for any heavy industrial application. Material handling and moving gearboxes from station to station is made easy by our large-capacity bridge and jib cranes throughout the facility. Up to 25 tons and 20 feet under hook, we can handle large-scale equipment easily. One of the first stops for our customers' equipment is our high-capacity industrial power washer that has a dedicated wash bay and a companion parts washer to ensure all equipment is thoroughly cleaned before disassembly and inspection. When it's time to take a deep look, our technicians are equipped with rugged granite inspection tables that can handle the weight of incoming equipment and put it at eye level to avoid injury and make inspection easier. To examine customer equipment, it undergoes non-destructive testing with our magnetic particle inspection machine to detect surface and subsurface damage on all rotating elements. When repairs require anything from minor to complex machining, Philadelphia Gear can meet the challenge. On-site materials and an extensive selection of high-tech lathes make it easy to create new components or turn existing ones to exact customer specifications. In addition to our advanced lathes, we offer a comprehensive range of precision machinery, from our cutting-edge horizontal boring machine to 5-axis universal milling capabilities and specialized EDM equipment for precision keyway cutting. Our state-of-the-art equipment and skilled technicians ensure superior gearbox service. When a shaft is manufactured new or is repaired, our shop experts use our EMRO machine to confirm its roundness to minimize vibration and ensure our equipment will run smoothly. When it comes to manufacturing new gears or repairing old ones, there's no need to outsource the work. Our Houston facility has 3 2-meter grinding machines, roll stands, and balancing machines on site to shorten lead times and reduce costs for our customers. For the final gearbox assembly process, our technicians have access to several lift tables at their stations to make assembly safer and easier. Induction heaters and a 200-ton roll press are available to fit gears onto shafts and press on bearings and other critical components easier. All new and repaired equipment undergoes our rigorous testing platform that features 2 test plates, high-capacity motors, and an elevated observation room for witnessing testing. Our customers can watch and observe the live gearbox test data under different conditions before taking final delivery. After thorough testing and quality checks, every gearbox is given a fresh coat of paint. Our ventilated and closed paint booth ensures a clean environment for a smooth, durable finish. From there, your equipment is securely packed and crated in our shipping and receiving department, which includes a large section of racking for short or long-term storage. When it comes to gearbox manufacturing and service, Philadelphia Gear sets the standard. With a legacy of over 130 years as an OEM and founding member of the American Gear Manufacturers Association, we offer unmatched expertise and a best-in-industry 5-year warranty on new equipment and 3 years on repair. Our Houston facility is strategically located in the heart of the oil and gas region, specializing in OEM high-speed gearbox services, and is supported by a network of 5 additional gear service centers, several motor repair shops, and Timken bearing repair. From custom-built solutions to on-site technical services and drivetrain expertise, we have the engineering muscle to meet your specific needs. Visit philagear.com or call 1-800-874-0270 to learn more.